Wahala Tonto Dike, Jane Mentna and Popo Grimata don't enter another level of more secret exposed. My great people them no be smart, this wahala between Popo Great Tonto Dike and the dancer I be the twerker where they call and say Jeremiah we be married woman she man a celebrity with over 2 point something million followers for IG. No be small thing they think then they enter another level as a girl family members they don't step into the mattress. Come they call out Tonto Dike with her full chest. Meanwhile, another secret chat between Toto and Popogri don't hit the internet. How all this their secret chat they take hit internet, person no even know. Later both of them they go come out, they go say no be me they say no be me Alright, so my correct people then wanna know say Popogri been done first talk say yes say he may not break up with Tonto long before that voice over my correct people them. My reader according to it say long before the voice note was released, I ended the relationship. It was no shock then that after I called it quits, you allegedly conspired with a blogger who already reached out to you about the voice note before the breakup to now release it. So my correct people them. Now wow, already said this one said no be mattress again because the baby way come out, come accuse Popogri with her full share say na send them, don't come out even apologize to Tonto Dike. So that one no be news again. The one I want give una now their secret conversation after that voiceover, come out. This one will show clearly say Oga Popogri no be truth e been dey talk Alright, so this is Tonto say thank you so much Prince, God bless you concern and the voice notes. So Prince can say good morning baby, Google voice cloning. I am so sorry for all this that happened. That's not my voice. Then Tonto Dike can say you can lie to the world but you can't lie to me. There's nothing that you have done or did I don't know. I just pretend or stay mute to be a fool so you don't fight your friends. This is your cross, carry it, but leave my name out of anything you ever have to say to the public or your hosts. I have given you all the love I can ever give you. I have failed and lost people dear to me because of you. I have been cut off from circles I benefit from because of you. I alone know what I have sacrificed to be with you. But Prince, I wouldn't be doing that no more. If you grew up with a mother, you would at least understand the value of one. How can a grown-up man talk like a child to even telling people you buy me a video, sending my videos to people to laugh at me? You see that peace you so desire will be taken away from you, and not by me, but by someone you will love. I would not disrespect you, but if any more shit comes out and my name gets dragged in it, you will hate me the F I existed. Prince, you are truly disgusting. I told someone that I bought you a doll. I can't believe this nonsense. I respect your decision. They got what they wanted. So Tonto Dike now replied, this is your cross, carry it, but leave my name out of anything you ever have to say to the public or your hosts. Then Popogri can say, babe, good evening. Miss calls, so Friday, August 20th. Then you can say, you blocked this contact, tap to unblock. Tonto Dike can block am. Now they claim say, na him break up with Tonto Dike long before the voiceover. Well, My correct people them concerning the expose with Nollywood actress Tonto Dike expose Instagram twerker where they call and say Jane Mena. No be small thing, no. Jane Mena family all out they don't come out here come they call out Tonto Dike. No be small thing, no. This gbege down they move to another level. Alright, so make I read this short side where Tonto Dike, advise her. I go say call and add to this looks somehow sarcastic, but make I read them. He said, this may be a good time to say at Jane Mena, this man has so much of your ex-tapes with him in his possession, all and very recent, not just you, but a lot of other married women, celebrities, and single girls too. If he hasn't blackmailed any of you yet, it's a matter of time. So Jane Mena's sister don't come out to can call Tonto Dike with her fushes. Say King Tonto or whichever you call yourself, my dear. Cry for yourself, not Jane Mena, cause Prince never ever saw Jane Mena panty, but we chop him money steady. So worry for your nudie, not Jane's, my dear. Karma is here to teach you a lesson. King when no wise. Alright, you can continue again. Say you sure have some nerves to drag Jane into your frustrated life. Sha, are you man? Get a life, Tonto. You are disgrace your face, or we assume it was a mistake. Now the second una don't land for court. What will the third one be? I guess sharp. Leave Jane alone. She is not the cause of your problem. You. Alright, so see fans' reaction. The first person here say, in an attempt to defend your so-called sister, you have ratted her out. The second person say, ha, this auntie don't confirm the gist self. Which kind wahala be this? The third person say, she don't by herself cast her sister. The fourth person say, always resist the urge to what? Salaye. The second to the last say, una chopping money wella. That says a lot. So then the last person say, this one for just shut up. Una go blame her. Maybe now waiting the sister tell am be that. Say she just dey chop papa money say she no get in time Now waiting she go still dey tell her husband be that. So you expect married woman to go stand and say she dey hammer another man John Thomas. No, now she no go want talk like that. But the level there be say her sister don already bring her the whole truth. Papa Grace say make they release the voice note saying one use and break up with Tonto Dike and he wants still dey famous. I hope saying they enjoy the fame now. I hope saying they enjoy the fame no be small. Alright, so my correct people, then this is a mattress. So you get a CPO. But for now, make I draw curtain till I come on away again. Thank you for watching. Stay beautiful. Bye.